Assalamu alaikum students, this is Atika Batul and today we are going to discuss about equations of motion lecture number 2. In previous video we have already discussed that how to prove first equation of motion. If you want to watch it, then link is in description. But in this video we are going to discuss about second equation of motion. So let's start our video. What is second equation of motion? The second equation of motion is one of three basic equations used in uniformly accelerated motion. It relates the distance of an object to its initial velocity, acceleration, and time. So students, how to prove second equation of motion? Well, to prove second equation of motion, draw a speed time graph. If you want to know how to draw this graph, then link is in description. Well, as we know that area of the graph gives us distance covered by the body. From the graph we see that there are two areas and the distance of the body is the sum of these two areas. So distance is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle OACD. Now as you know that area of triangle is 1 by 2 length multiply width and area of rectangle is length multiply width. As you know that the length of the triangle is AC and the width of the triangle is BC and the length of the rectangle is ODRAC and the width of the rectangle is OARCD. So by putting these values in this equation we get this equation. S is equal to half AC multiply BC plus OD multiply OA. Also you can see that AC is equal to T, BC is equal to AT and OD is equal to T. Also OA is equal to VI. So by putting these values we get the equation S is equal to half T multiply AT plus T multiply VI. By rearranging these values we get the equation S is equal to VIT plus half AT square. So students, this is the second equation of motion. This is the very easy method to prove second equation of motion. In the next video we will discuss about third equation of motion. So don't forget to watch and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.